So I found this ancient computer processor laying around, and I thought I would take a look at it under the microscope to see how it's made. See all the little pins there? We'll take a closer look at all these little pins on the processor. See, they all have grooves in them. I guess it helps them connect, because the motherboard has a receptacle, and this pushes into that. So I guess that's so it doesn't come loose. Countless little pins. See, the silver part is where it's soldered in to the board there. Has to be done by machine, there's so many of them. So we'll take a look at the front of this and see what markings are on it. It's an AMD processor from 2010, so it's pretty ancient. Some computer markings on it, I guess part of a code that was on it. Another marking that was on it. There's Malaysia and Germany, so I guess they partnered in making these chips back in the day. It's more of a little code on the back. So interesting. Take a look at a processor from back in the Stone Age. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.